Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome once again to KNUST News. In this video, we are going to learn how to register our courses as students of KNUST. So currently, I'm in the KNUST application portal where we have sections of portals that you can visit. So here we have the students, we have prospective student staff, and then prospective staff. So if you want to apply to KNUST, this is where you come. And then if you're a student of KNUST, this is where you come. So we are going to go inside and then go to fill the details and also learn how to register our courses. So before that, I would like you to share this video, comment, like, and then subscribe to this channel for a lot more videos. Let's get started. So we are going to go into the student portal, right? So one thing you have to know is that before you can register your courses, KNUST has also implemented the 50% policy where you have to pay 50% or more of your academic fees before you can register your courses, right? But for first years, it's mostly required that you pay 100% of your fees from start, right? So if you've been able to do that, you can register your courses. We look at two scenarios where um, a fee has been paid and a fee has not been paid, and you get to see what you face in each category. Okay, so let's go inside of the portal and then see what's there. So before that, let me tell you, if you want to look for this, just enter into your Google search KNUST application portal or KNUST apps portal. Right, it will give you a link and then you tap on any of the ones that are available. It will lead you here. Right, so let's go into the students portal and then get things done. Alright, so this is the interface, right? The login page. This is where you are going to provide your details. Okay, so in this section you have the username, here, you have the password, and you have the student ID. So if you're first here, you've not got your credentials. That's your student, your username, your password, and your school email address. These three things are very necessary because, for example, the AMAP. This is a web version of the AMAP. As you can see here, you can download the AMAP from here. If you're using the mobile phone, you can just tap on it to go and then download the mobile version of the students portal, which is the AMAP. This actually has a lot of simple terms rather than the AMAP. Okay, and it's very easy and convenient. Everything is smooth. Okay, so if you're first here, you want to generate your credentials. Mostly it doesn't come to everyone. Okay, so you have to generate it to force it to come to your email address. So this is where you use the email address or the SMS. So the number and then the email you use in filling the form should be very active. So you would have an option to choose any of the two if you want. So you can just click on forgot password, right? So click on forgot password, then it comes here. So you choose the one you wish to use to collect the details. So SMS reset or email reset. You click on it, you follow the procedures, and then you get it done. So if you want to know a lot more about this portal, I've made one video about this portal and then retrieving the password and all those things. The link is in the description below. You can go and watch it for yourself and then get to understand a lot of it. So let's log in and then go and register our courses. Okay, so this is the interface of the home page of the students portal, right? So here it has a lot of options for you to do your registration. So we have the dashboard and all that. So as I said, I've already made a video about all these things. You can go and watch it and then understand some things yourself. So here we are going to register our courses. You can click here or you click here. When you are done registering your courses, you're going to see the slips, right? The slips. That is the courses. You want to see the printed format. You would come here, registration slip, then you go there, select the year and the semester, and then you print it. Mostly when you are done with the registration, they send a message to your email address. Recently that's how it's been done, but first automatically once you are done, it downloads from the browser and then you just keep it, right? And then this is how it is. They send it to your email address. So if you want to have it manually, that's where you come and do the registration slip format. So you go here, let's say course registration. So here these are some things. So compulsory courses are courses everybody can do, should do, sorry, they are courses everybody should do. For example, back in SHS, everybody, it's compulsory, everyone does the core subjects, right? The EMS, It's compulsory, everyone does it. But when it comes to the electives, some choose to do physics, some choose to do economics. That is what we have here. But then it doesn't apply to every program with the electives. For some programs, they have only the compulsory courses, but some programs have the electives as well. So with that one, they will guide you on how to do that, because it's, if you don't know about it and you're going to choose any other courses that you want, it may affect you, right? So I think some choose to do French, and then some also choose to do other courses as well. So we have the receipt and then supplementary and then the consent. So if you've not paid your fees, if you've not paid your fees, when you try to click on this link here, this message will pop up. Okay, so you can see the image, the alerts that I'm seeing on my screen, right? So this alert comes when you've not paid 50% of your fees or more. Okay, that means you owe fees. But if you've paid more, let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, so you come to the courses here, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 courses to do in the first semester of the 2024-2025 academic year. So we have the credit hours here, right? So you are not supposed to do more than 21 credit hours. You are not supposed to do less than 15 credit hours. You see that. So these are my compulsory courses, right? So we proceed on to see if I have electives as well. Okay, so here I don't have electives. Okay, I don't have electives, so I just proceed. The registration is just simple. You don't need to do anything complicated, right? So this is the final part, the instructions. It says maximum credit hours 21, 15 minimum. So my total credit hours I'll be doing every week. So the credit hours is the calculation for the number of times you're supposed to meet a lecturer for a particular course throughout the week. So every week I do 18 hours of studies, or 18 hours of meeting the lecturer, right? So number of courses, and some of you may have 17, 16, or the exact 15. Some may have like 20, 21, then ends. So the more your courses, the more likely your credit hours will increase. Okay, so it says these are my registration. It gives me the sample of what I've done so far. Okay, so these are all the courses, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 courses, and then I'll save and print the registration slip. You have successfully registered your courses. Good. So now it has opened to the slip that I have. If I want, I'll download it. But then you can also check your email to have the registration slip. But also note that if you do not do the biometric registration, you have a red line. I've already done the biometric registration because I made this video after I've registered my courses online. So you just do the biometric registration, and then you are done with everything, and then everything here will be blank. But if you've not done the biometric, you see some red lines in the slip. Okay, so we can print this for future use. So let's go back. So let's go back to the registration slip. So let's say you want to check the registration slips for, let's say, previous years. You come to the registration slip. It keeps records of all the registrations you've done. So here is the registration slip portal, right? The page for it. So you can come here, you select the academic year you want. Then you select, you come here and then select the semester. So we have the 3 semesters: supplementary, second sem, and then first sem. So you get the registration slips of all these that you want and all that. So this is the end of the video for registering your courses. I would like you to subscribe to this channel as well. Also share with your friends who are struggling with their course registration. And don't forget to watch the video on everything about the portal, so you get to understand everything here and how to use it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.